Winter Wonderland Dadpatri has come alive after it was reopened for tourists and locals for 10 months. This area was completely closed. Now you can see these tourists. They are playing with snow, throwing snowballs at each other, and it is a fun. For last 10 months after Pahalgam terror attack, 4 dozen these tourist sites were closed. Some of them were gradually restored, but for yesterday, J&K Lieutenant Governor ordered reopening of 14 tourist sites, and this place Dadpatri is one among them. Let me talk to some of these tourists. आप कहाँ से आए हैं भैया?
हम गुजरात बड़ौदा से।
अच्छा, गुजरात बड़ौदा से।
हाँ।
और ये पहली बार ये खुल गई है ये जगह।
यस, हमें भी आज ही पता चला है कि ये सुबह सुबह ओपन हो चुका था, इसलिए हम सोनमर्ग छोड़ के इस जगह पे आए।
अच्छा।
एंड दिस इज अमेजिंग,
राइट,
बहुत बढ़िया है।
तो आप कहाँ से आए?
Udaipur, and it's an
Rajasthan.
amazing experience.
Okay.
We are enjoying here,
Okay.
and here is totally a fresh snow,
Yes.
and you can see that we are playing. We are enjoying. So guys,
So
please
you are
come.
the first ones actually to reach this place.
Yay!
So look at the excitement among tourists, and also I'll see the security arrangements, which are security force. A large number of securities already they are deployed in this area, as these places have been opened for the tourists after security restriction were eased by the government. 14 tourists and tourist destinations, which was among 48 that were closed last year after April terrorist attack in Pahalgam. Now all these people enjoying this. Look at the excitement. Look at the excitement, and this also means the revival of economic activities, because all the people who are living here and they could not actually come. आप भी यहाँ का आप लोकल है?
जी
तो क्या कर रहे थे 10वीं में जब ये बंद?
बस बैठे थे घर पे।
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
अभी मैं फोटोग्राफी कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, आप फोटोग्राफर है इनके साथ?
जी सर।
तो क्या अभी तक आप 10वीं में यहाँ एक भी आदमी नहीं आ पाया?
जी बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल बंद था सर।
हाँ।
बहुत तकलीफ हुई यहाँ के लोगों को, मतलब रोजगार तो सब कुछ तो यही है, मतलब दूधपत्री पे सब डिपेंड करते थे। जब बंद हुआ तो बहुत तकलीफ हुई लोगों को, बहुत ज्यादा तकलीफ हुई। अब शुक्र रब का, और हम शुक्रगुजार है गवर्नर साहब के कि उसने अभी दूधपत्री ओपन की। यहाँ अब धीरे धीरे हमारा रोजगार बढ़ेगा इंशाल्लाह।
Right. So that is the sentiment here, where the locals or tourists, everybody is so happy that tourist destination which were closed for 10 months have finally been opened. It is clearly, you look at scene, pristine beauty here, breathtaking beauty. These hutments literally under the snow, and you can see here, and tourists have started returning to this place and enjoying the breathtaking beauty of this winter wonderland, Dadpatri, which is in Badgam district, which is one of the finest tourist destinations. But for last 10 months, it was closed, finally restored and reopened for the tourists since yesterday.